Hello guys, welcome back. We're back again with another video, which is an interesting one because someone asked. Now I have completed the course at Finstock Evarsity College. How do I get my certificate? So guys, we're going to be taking you through that process on how you can get your certificate after completion of the course at Finstock Evarsity College. Okay, so what is the first step? The first step is receiving your certificate is confirming your enrollment status. Okay, so make sure that you have successfully completed all the required courses and have no outstanding issues with your student account. All right, so after that, once you have confirmed your enrollment, the next step is to apply for your certificates. Okay, so you're going to log into Finstock Evarsity College in your student portal account and navigate to the certificate application section. All right, after you have done that, you're going to ensure that all your personal details, including your name and your contact information, are accurate. Double check the course details to make sure that you are aligned with the courses that you completed. And after that, after completing the application, you will need to make the necessary payment for the certificate process. Evarsity College usually provides various ways that you can make your payment, including banking or mobile money. All right, once the payment is processed, you should receive a confirmation email from the college. This email will include important details such as the expected timeline for the certificate processing and additional instructions. All right, now it's time to sit back and relax. The college will take care of the processing of your certificate. This typically involves verifying your course completion, checking your academic standing, and preparing for the official document. Okay, once your certificate is ready, Finstock Evarsity College will give you the options on how you can acquire the certificate. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of obtaining your certificate from Finstock Evarsity College. Okay, now it's time to celebrate your hard work, showcase your credentials to the world. Okay, yeah, and that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for joining through that process and just answering a question that one of you asked, guys, on how you can acquire your certificate after completion of the course. Yeah, so that's basically it. It's a very simple process. So if you're interested, make sure that you go check out Finstock Evarsity College if you want to enroll for any online course. Yeah, they have a bunch of courses and these courses are very affordable. So make sure that you go check out their website, which is www.finstockevarsity.com, or you can email them at info@finstockevarsity.com or call the customer care number at 0703-313-722. Don't forget to like the video, make sure that you share, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. Yeah, and that is it, guys. Until next time, peace.